Have you ever expected an ehouse and didn't get it when you expected it? We stand by our word and make you part of the process. How is it we make you part of the process? With every project, we take you from a production schedule from our engineering and procurement. We label everything out here on a schedule, so you're going to get the complete engineering process, the procurement process, the assembly process, the testing. This comes in a bi-weekly schedule. You guys get this every 2 weeks. We make you part of the process with pictures, with scheduling, that you guys are always going to know where the project is, and at the end of the project, there's going to be no surprises. Maybe you've worked with a company that is limited to give you what you want. They mold what you produce into what they produce. What we do is manufacture a solution that is fully customizable to what your specification is. What sets us apart? Our construction method, the way we handle the order, and engineer the project. Our Smart Connect process makes it 50% faster to reassemble more than anyone else. Many companies have failed you, but we have your back. Send us an email. Let's connect on your next ehouse project.